will you please tell me what is the model about?
Good morning, sir. This is the hydraulic parking system, which is
This is
based
hydraulic parking system.
Yes.
Okay.
It is based on hydraulics. This hydraulic is made by Blaise Pascal. So this is the Pascal's law.
This hydraulic is based on, repeat,
Pascal's law.
Pascal's law. Just a minute. Okay, this based on Pascal's law. That is law of hydraulics.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, hydraulics. So hydraulics help us to change. Hydraulics states that if fluid is passed from one series to another, it helps us to change the levels of the floor like this.
Please show me. Okay, very beautiful, very beautiful. Show it again. No, first show me this one. Very beautiful. One by one, one by one. One by one. Show me this one. Show me this one. Okay, very beautiful. Means these vehicles are going to downside.
Yes.
So why you what is the need of इसकी क्या जरूरत है कि इधर का व्हीकल जो है वो इधर चला जाएगा? Why?
Sir, actually it is a parking system.
Loud.
Actually it is a parking system, and now parking you see multi-level parking. We are in
Okay. If the car is here, then the car will go like that, and
It will just be
oh, very beautiful, very beautiful. It will go there. Okay, so it will go like that.
yes.
Very beautiful, and then
If it and then it goes
okay,
down,
then
and then goes down.
goes here. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Yes. Good, very good. This is really very good. So this is multi-level parking with hydraulic systems. Very beautiful. Show it again. Show the. Do this one.
Sir, all the
Good, very good. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.